Everyone has a question in mind that what is an economy. Everyone thinks that the exchange of the securities like the share market, that is an economy. The government purchasing or selling, or the government spending, the tax, it is an economy. But mainly, what is economy? Everyone has a question that what is economy. Everyone thinks economy is related to money. Yes, it is related to money, but also the services. There are many other things also. So come to the main point that what is an economy. Economy is mainly an imaginary place that where people perform economic activities and earn their living. So mainly, what is economy? People perform different economic activities to earn their living. This is called an economy. For example, a teacher is going to school. He is going to do the economic activity and earn his living. A farmer going to field. He will do his economic activity and earn his living. So it is an economy. Now the nature and type of economy. So the nature of economy, we can tell that everyone has a different nature of economy. For agriculturalists, it's agriculture economy. For industrial people, it's industrial economy, and many other. Now, on which the economy depends. The economy depends upon the degree of control of the economic activities of the government. Now, we will firstly discuss what are the economic activities. Then I will explain a point to this. Now, economic activities. There are four main economic activities. First is production. Second is consumption. Third is investment, and fourth is exchange. Now these four economic activities will tell us that what is a type of economy. Okay. Now who will control these? These should be controlled by the government of the country. The government of the country should make a mark on these four economic activities to tell or to arrange that what type of economy should be this. Now what are the types of economy? First is controlled or centrally planned. Second is free or market. Third is moderate control or mixed economy. Now we will come to the first type. First is controlled or centrally planned economy. Wherever the come central come, it means the government. Now controlled or centrally planned, it means that the government is controlling the economic activities. They have a hold on them. Okay. So example, China, Russia or North Korea. We know that in China there is so much control of the government. In Russia, the government is so powerful, and in North Korea everyone knows there is no one to need that. Now second, free market economy. Free market economy, that the government give a free hand to the people and all other to make these four activities. Example, UK and USA. Okay. Now third is moderate or mixed economy. Now what are the mainly these include of the developing nations. Mainly it includes of the developing nations. The most important developing nation is our India. Now India has a mixed economy. Why? The government also controls these four economic activities, but not to much extent, because we are in case of developing. If we control these four economic activities and have a hard hold on them, then the path of development is not achieved. For the development, we have to make a control on the economic activities, but not to much extent. So this is all about the economics and economy. Have a look at the board, and if you want to note any important point, you can.